When it comes to tile setting, you might be researching, should I be using a Mastic or a Thinset or a Thinset mortar for mounting these tiles? And I've done an awful lot of tile work, and let me tell you, save yourself the headache of choosing Mastic. Mastic is limited in its applications. It really shouldn't be used in wet applications. It should really only be used for small tiles. It stinks to high heavens, and it's really an inferior product across the board. There's no job that you could do with Mastic that couldn't be done in a superior way using a Thinset product. Now you might, if you're not, a concrete worker, you might be, well, I'm not really good with concrete applications, and so you're intimidated to use the Thinset, thinking the Mastic product will be easier. It just comes in a container, it's like glue, essentially, and you glue the tiles onto the wall, whereas the Thinset's this mortar. It's a sticky mortar product, and it takes some time to set up. And you might read something negative, like, well, the Mastic's good because it sets up quickly, the Thinset's bad because it will allow because it takes time to cure, so it'll slowly creep down the wall, for example. Totally not true. This would come down to a fundamental inability to work with Thinset. If you're good with Thinset, you can do absolutely anything. You can build absolutely amazing tile installations using exclusively Thinset, and you will not be hampered in any way, shape, or form by sagging or set times or things like that, because this is part of learning how to work with Thinset. You learn how to mix to the right consistency. You learn how to batch an appropriate amount of Thinset for an appreciable amount of time that you're going to work with. I don't make all the Thinset I'm going to use in a day in the morning. You can't do that because it's heavily modified. That's what makes it stick to stuff, but it's also going to set up pretty quickly on you. And so you work in small batches, and you have to learn how to, keep your tile substrate nice and clean, and you want it usually to be damp before you apply a Thinset. Like, there's a bunch of technical things you need to know in order to use Thinset properly. But rest assured, 100% of the time, the Mastic is inferior to Thinset for mounting tiles. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and remember, I am technically Steve. It will technically help you if you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you do, I'll see you soon.